Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Trip. In this video we're working on the fit ship box again. Still have a lot of stuff to do to her. So in this one I'm just going to start working on actually cleaning her up. Make her look a little nicer. I don't know how nice I can make her look. Maybe I can make her look a little, just tiny little things I can do. Like clean the hair out of her. If you watched my original video, you know she's pretty dirty. You know, clean the inside really well. Probably gonna pull the interior out, pull the seats out. Give them a good scrubbing. Probably make it look and smell a lot better than it does. Especially back here. So let's get started on that fun, exciting process. Can't wait. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take these front seat out and the back seats. That way I can start like vacuuming and soaping up the carpet really well. Also plan on getting rid of that dangerous power wire. And probably take some of that plastic out and clean it too. And snake that wire out on the back. Okay, I got the two front seats out. Let's see what we found. Got a bunch of money, got some change, the air freshener, some pins, and a lot of junk. For some reason, these seats have a lot more wires and a lot heavier than that's kind of what I was expecting when I was pulling them out. This one's still attached. Now that some of the big stuff like the seats are out of the way, I can start picking up some of the trash and getting the vacuum out and start sucking some of the stuff out. It's really disgusting. Definitely need my gloves for this. The more I dig in this thing, the more stuff I rip out. Wish I would have done this outside. I got the center console out, and I said screw it, and started ripping the whole carpet out. Now the whole carpet's out. It's sitting in the back right now. Like the back portion was kind of wet, pretty nasty. So that's gonna need either a really good cleaning or just replace it all together. I do wonder how much money we made off this car. It's kind of, I made $3.49, almost $3.50, and I need to find another pity.
I need about $3.50.
$3.50.
Here's another one. Add it to the pile. $3.50. Okay, I got all the loose stuff vacuumed out. It still needs a good scrubbing in here, but it's already starting to look a lot better. Now, game plan is probably gonna get the car out of here, get it out of the garage. That way I can lay out all the carpet and seats and fabric stuff out in the garage, so I can start working on vacuuming that stuff, start cleaning it. Right now the car's kind of in the way, you know. Small garage issues, first world problems. Okay, I got the fit out of the garage so I can have more room to work. Got all the carpet, seats, panels and everything kind of laid out so I can start vacuuming, start working on cleaning. This one's going to be a lot of work, pretty nasty, but let's see what we can do. Okay, I got everything vacuumed, which is the first step in my cleaning process. Next, I'm gonna soap them up and kind of agitate everything really good, which I need to go buy some soap. And then I bought this little carpet cleaner suckle thing, not that thing, that vacuum, to help you get a lot deeper clean, to suck up some of that stuff that's down in the seats, that nasty stuff, trying to suck as much of that stuff as possible. I'm sure these seats aren't going to come out looking brand new or anything. They're all pretty stained and stuff, but I can make them look a lot better than they do, so I don't feel like I need gloves and a mask and everything every time I sit in the car. So dirty. Okay, I got some carpet cleaner and a brush. Game plan is I'm going to soap the carpet down and kind of agitate it with the brush, kind of rub it in, circle it in, and then I'll suck it out with my Hoover over here, up there. So let's give that a try, see how it works. Okay, I cleaned this side, but I have not cleaned the other side yet. So you can see the difference. I mean, it's not like a huge difference, but it's there. Definitely looks a little better than it did. See some of the nasty stuff it's sucking up. This is definitely time consuming, but should be worth it in the end. Before I put these back in the car, I need to let them kind of dry out for like a night or so. And I guess tomorrow I'll put them back in the fit. Hey, it's the next day and all my interior pieces look pretty dry and it's ready to go back in the car. Probably be a lot easier to put that stuff in there, the car out there, instead of cramped in here. So let's throw that stuff back in there. Okay, I'm done doing my cleaning, got all my interior back in. You know, it doesn't look great, but it looks a lot better than it did. I don't feel as disgusting sitting inside of it. Back seat don't look too terribly bad. Trunk, still dirty. Doesn't really matter how much I scrub clean. I think the interior is just stained. It's gonna be a little worn. But the outside's kind of beat up and worn anyway, so at least it matches. Which I still need to clean the outside. I haven't even touched it at all. And also something to kind of clean up the outside. You might have seen this wheel in the corner over here. This used to be the Miata's wheels that we don't use anymore, just been sitting. And they happen to be the right lug pattern. And has a lot more tread than what these things have. So I'll probably clean those up and temporarily put them on fit. Okay, I got the different wheels and tires on the fit. I think it looks significantly better already. It's crazy what just a simple change in a little color pop can do. And it's probably a little bit on the YC side, but I don't care. This could be more of a fun, no shits giving type of car anyway. So I'm cool with it. I think it's kind of fitting. You get it? Because it's fit on the fit. Inside's clean, outside semi-clean. Wheels and tires on, but we're not done. Probably the big thing on this car that's kind of really ugly is definitely front end. That bumper is just, yeah, it's pretty shot. There's no really fixing that. So, I have a big present over here. A big old box. What's in the box? If you watched my last K24 FOS rebuild video, my new bumper came in a tiny box. At least this one came in a full-size box. So let's open her up. Got my new bumper. Unfortunately, the ends are folded in, so I'm probably going to do the trick I did with my last bumper and get the heat gun and heat it up and work it out. Good thing I got practice on my last one. So let's see if that will come out. Okay, I got the new bumper mounted. It's not going to be super flush on this side because this headlights, the brackets kind of messed up and broken. So eventually I'm going to have to get a new light on that side, but it works for now. I still need to hook up the corners of the bumper, which I got some of these quick disconnects I'll put in it. Because it's either that or zip tie it, and I don't feel like cutting and replacing zip ties every time I come. Or take off my bumper. Oops. I now have a push button. Just that easy. Take on and off. Now it's on. It's not going nowhere. I push the button, comes off. Nice and easy. Now I just gotta do the other side. So what do you guys think? Do you think the fit looks a lot better than it did? I think it's come a long way in a few days. Yeah, it's still far from perfect. Still has a lot of dents, scratches, and all that stuff. Which I don't really plan on getting all that stuff out. It's still kind of a shitbox cheap car. As long as it looks okay, I'm fine with it. Don't mind beating it up a little bit. But I will eventually paint the bumper gray so at least it matches a little bit. And the lip from that old bumper was just a little too far gone for me to transfer over. But I do have an idea for that. Might make my own lip, like a rally car style. This is probably the car's best angle. This back corner. Doesn't look too bad from back here. I think she'll do. Now that the car is clean, it actually has better wheels and tires on it. It drives a lot better than it did. Feels a lot better. I don't feel disgusting every time I get in it. And now, next plans, I can actually start upgrading it. I have some brake and suspension upgrades I need to throw on it, so I can start track prepping it. So come back for those videos. Definitely more videos coming on this thing. Still waiting on this car. I just get the last big piece I need for it. I got in a few days ago, so that's good. So updates on it soon. But I hope you enjoyed this cleaning refresh video. If you have a Honda Fit, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you have done to it, or what you plan on doing to it. And I'll see you next time. Peace.